So then Sridhar Swami says, Tanmayatam means full absorption in God, Bhagavan Sri Krishna, which liberates one from the material world. All these emotions, these 6 emotions, positive and negative, listed in verse 15, are powerful, and they allow one to become fully absorbed in God. So now he's saying, it's very interesting, he's saying, see these 6 emotions? They're powerful. What kind of power? Tanmayatam Shakti. Tanmayatam Shakti. They have Shakti, power, influence, prabhav, propulsion. So much propulsion, they can, like a rocket ship, they can take you, like a rocket ship has jet propulsion. So much propulsion, this heavy rocket ship with some satellite or space travelers, whatever, spacemen, sitting there. And it takes off from the ground, rises through the atmosphere and the ionosphere, the stratosphere, atmosphere, stratosphere, ionosphere, and it goes up beyond to this weightless realm. And there's so much power and force required to penetrate all those gravitational layers, the intense pushing down forces. So that's yanti. They attain by that power, by that jet propulsion. So tanmayatam yanti, haro yanti, hari yanti. One attains hari by the force of tanmayatam. Is what he's saying here. And what is that? What is that tanmayatam shakti? In these emotions, in these bhavs. Kam bhav, krodha bhav, bhayam bhav, sneha bhav, surit bhav. The mood, the bhav, the friendship. There's so much power. Isn't there power in true friendship? Isn't there power in true conjugal love? So much power. Isn't there power in parental affection? How much power is there in parental affection? A mother's love for her son. She'll die for her son. That's power. She'll do anything for her son or children, daughter. So he's saying that he's making very nice that this full absorption. These emotions are so powerful that they allow one to become fully absorbed in God. Do you have these emotions? Oh, yeah, Krishna's there, okay, Hare Krishna. I'm not angry with him and I'm not lusting after him. I'm not afraid of him. He's there, he's there. You ring the bell, he eats the food, You ring the bell, he eats the food, you take the remnants, he's quiet. It's not interactive. I don't interact with him. He passively sits there. I give him something, he takes, he doesn't complain. We don't have much, right? No, not too many arguments. Like when you read about devotees that are on the platform of Bhav and how they talk to their deities. Hey you, Vamshidas Babaji. He had Gaurnitai, his worshipping pure love. So he was like very personal and familiar with them.